Hey, what's up, guys? Look, I got the motherfucking iPhone 14 Pro Max. We out here, we out here balling, dog. uh, but anyway, yeah, I got 256 gigs, and I got the purple one. But yeah, let's get into that phone, bruh. So it's looking like you just do the old slide thing up here. Sure, this is not new. It's not like just pretty sure you've seen a unboxing video of an iPhone about 1,000 times, so it's not going to be anything new. But still. Okay, we got the little thing. Yeah, untraditional because didn't take the tape off, but still. Yeah, purple looks pretty sick. Bub approves. And then we got this whole deal right here. And then boom. Okay, yeah, that's super short unboxing.